This cat thinks everything is a freaking toy. I put that chain up yesterday and he likes to go up there and play with it. Yes, this is lounging Lori. I had some barbecue string sitting out and I forgot to put it up. And I found the whole entire thing rolled from my room into the kitchen. You gonna play with it or not? Hi, Comet. Look. Yeah, my room's still a mess. I'm working on it. It's very slow because I'm trying to unpack things to find storage units. Like I've already got I've already got one that's empty now, so I'll be putting stuff in it. Don't know what it's gonna be yet. Then I'll mark it, and then I'll either put it off to the side. And this cat's being really cute, aren't you? Get it, Con, get it. Yeah. Where's the other cats? My other two cats are on my bed. I just got up a little bit ago. Get it, get it, Comet. Get it. I put that ladder there because I was having issues with the light. I think it's fixed now. I don't know. May have to have someone come in here. I'm not an electrician. May have to have someone come in here and take a look at that knows more of it. Oh, he's just being cute. He's just being cute, isn't he? Yeah. Now I'm the talking baby talk. Shame on me! Okay, would you like to see the other cats? Oh, there's Callie. There's my Callie. Yeah. You're being cute, huh? A pretty kitty. That's her is. Her's a pretty kitty. And there's my CC. There she is. I love my CC cat. Yes, I do. I'll be having more videos up, people, coming soon. After this one, yeah, I got a headache from all this stuff. Sorry, people. But while you're looking at the kitty cats, I did use my barbecue for the first time yesterday. I tried to do a video, but I was having problems remembering how to get it lit. So I finally figured that out after I re-cleaned it after we cooked some delicious steaks on that black stone. I mean, they were delicious. They were thick, too thick for me. I like the thinner cut type of steaks, and they actually didn't get done enough for my grandson, but I did ask him 2 or 3 times, are you sure, are you sure, are you sure? But he said they were a little bit underdone for him. I said, well, he said, probably have to just keep them on a little bit longer. I said, that's not a problem. Anyway, more videos coming up soon. Please like and subscribe. I want more and more subscribers. I will be getting me some cards, business cards, and that's in the works. I'm trying to make my own cards to my own liking, not somebody else's stuff, because I do Paint Shop Pro, and I can show you that real quick. Okay. See, I got Halloween stuff up. See, this stuff here is like those are the backgrounds. Let's see here. I buy tubes and templates. See, something like that. Ooh, cool, huh? Halloween. I love Halloween. My, I love Halloween. Oh yeah, and next weekend I will be making a video on what I'm gonna be for Halloween, for work. So, all in all, folks, let's see here. I already got my. I'm gonna show you one of the templates. Okay, where is it? I got a lot of graphics in here. So I've got a lot of options. I've got a lot of options. Okay. Okay, there's my Lounge and Lori header. There's one of them. See, that's just a template. That's not the JPG, but that's gonna be that's my template for my header. And here's some others that I mean, it's similar, but that don't know if I'm gonna do it with cats, or I may try to get me lounging and put me in a corner somewhere. I haven't figured that out yet, but I want it to be just right for a card. For a bit, especially a business card. So this is what I have, and this is Lounge and Lori. I'm gonna let you all go now. I know this is part of it was a fairly boring video, but letting you know that Lounge and Lori is going to be more and more on YouTube. Thank you for watching. And again, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like this video if you liked it. And I shall see you next time.